Hi, I'm Nick, and today we're going to show you how to resolve iOS WCAG focus order violations. WCAG 2.4.3, titled Focus Order, states that if a page can be navigated sequentially and navigation sequence affects its meaning or operation, then components receive focus in an order that preserves this meaning and operability. The intent of the success criterion is to ensure that when users navigate sequentially through content, they encounter information in an order that is consistent with the content's meaning and that it can be operated via a keyboard or other assistive technology. People with visual impairments can become disoriented when tabbing places them someplace unexpected. And people who use screen magnifiers will benefit from not having to zoom it out and then re-zoom in to find the content they're looking for. There are two common failures of the success criteria. First, failure due to using tab indexing to create a tab order that is not consistent with the meaning of operability, and second, failure due to using menus or dialogues that are not adjacent to the trigger control in sequential navigation order. For more details on the specifics of WCAG focus order violations, check out this link here. Link also in the description down below. Let's go ahead and fix an iOS focus order violation with the help of the Mesmer accessibility audit. But first, I order you to focus your attention on the like and subscribe button. Here we have a focus order violation. We can navigate this crawl's app map to find the screen containing this violation. Now that we know where the screen is located and the objects that contain the violation, let's pull up this app on our physical device so we can navigate this page using TalkBack's navigational controls. Let's navigate this page using only VoiceOver's assistance with the goal of opening the menu and selecting the first option.
Focus order, heading. Focus 1, button. Focus 2, button. Open menu, button.
Okay, so we found the menu.
Open menu.
Awesome, and the next thing after the menu should be, after the trigger control, which is the open menu, should be the first option.
Dummy, button.
Hey, what'd you call me? From the code, we can modify the constraints of the menu stack, dummy button, and open menu button to make sure that the menu stack is adjacent to its trigger control, which is the open menu button. Now that we know what we're looking for, let's try navigating this page once again with VoiceOver enabled to see if the trigger control, or the first option rather, after the trigger control is the first option of the menu.
Focus order, head, focus 1, focus 2, button, open menu, button. Open menu. Option 1, dimmed, button.
Awesome, so thus the first option after this trigger control is the first option, thus resolving this violation. And just like that, we fixed our iOS WCAG focus order violation. What tips or tricks do you have for developing with accessibility? Let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and happy developing.